Mag 11 o'clock na guys. So, punta kami ng Turkey side. Yeah, give me picture. Guys, this is our holiday. Green Monday. Yeah? Now give me this is our Green Monday guys. Together. Holding hands. Guys, walang katao-tao guys. Dahil naka-holiday yung mga tao. Nasa bundok. Ano. Yan yung asawa ko. Guys, nung unang mga panahon guys. And I think this is the old Nicosia guys. Yan yung museum. May mga foreigner din guys. So, nagbibideo. So, foreigner din ako guys. Yan guys. Parang foreigner din ako guys. Nagbibideo. Ikot-ikot lang kami guys sa Lidra. Galing kami ng Turkey side. Ayan. Yung mga old building dito guys. Guys. The old Nicosia guys. So, yung holiday namin, the Green Monday, wala kaming magawa guys. Ayaw namin magbundok. Kaya ikot-ikot na lang kami dito.
For put here.
Okay, so, old table guys. Antique. It's antique already guys. Oh. Kita namin dito. Ang antique siya guys. Yan guys. Oh. Sa likod to ng building. Sa likod to ng dito, may mga bagong building na sila. Ni-renovate nila. Civil marriage. Dito civil marriage daw. Dito siguro ikakasal yung mga bagong civil marriage. Oh. Pero hindi kami dito kinasal guys. Doon kami sa old municipal ng Nicosia. Timmy to move. Time to move. Pagbasa ko guys, Timmy to move. Time to move pala. Yes, yung pagbasa ko guys, Timmy to move. Akala ko separate na word siya guys ba. Kaya pagbasa ko, Timmy to move. Time to move pala. Oh my goodness. Bagong building na nila guys. Ito yung sa baba. Old. Mga old. Mga dati guys. Actually guys, may ano ako na dito. May video ako dito. Dati. Sa old Nicosia Town Hall guys. Guys. Yan may mga foreigner din dito. Yan. Mm. Mm. Guys, old rock siya guys.
5 no the 10.
Okay.
Tabachinko.
Hi.
Hello, hello. Hello guys. Go full house. Finish CJ. I'm tired.
Museum guys. May bayad siya dati guys. Ngayon naka-close siya oh. You know, before the car. Yung sasakyan dati guys. After maybe removal down ha, careful. Ha?
No, it's got something.
Yes, it's too much dark. It's dusty. Guys, so yan, nagubad ng asawa ko. Mainit na daw. Inubad niya yung jacket niya. Yung pullover niya. Oh, very nice guys.
Green Monday.
Hmm?
No have got nothing.
Ah,
Green Monday.
yes, very nice. The flowers. I like it.